Storya ng pag-ibig na wagas. Storya ng pagtataksil at pang-aahas. May ginawang panakip butas. May happy ending ang wakas. Damdaming malambot at matigas. Sa live drama, pwede nang ilabas. Tutulo na at tatagas ang mga katas ng nakalipas.
Katas ng nakalipas.
Dear Angkol, Dagol,
And Tita, Tanya, Chinita.
trip ako ng isang thigh na sobrang sexy at ganda.
Sawadika!
Sawadika!
Sawadika! Sawadika, tulog mantika. Okay. Pwede na.
Pwede na. Feel good morning, call and tits. Itago niyo na lang ako sa pangalang DJ.
Tago?
35 and single. Avid listener din po ako ng inyong programang
Mga katas ng nakalipas.
Sawadika.
Sawadika! Tulog mantika. Gising na. Okay.
Ang kwento ko po ay katas ng Phuket, Thailand.
Sarap talaga ng Phuket, Thailand.
Pero bago pa po ako napunta dito ay may malit akong business dyan sa Pilipinas. Kaso medyo hindi po nag-work. Kaya naisipan kong mga ibang bansa. Yung friend ko na nasa Thailand ang naghikayat sa akin na sumunod. Baka daw nandun yung swerte ko. At may papakilala daw siya sa aking kaibigan niya na Thai. At doon ko nga...
Balik mo na lang mamaya.
Medyo pa kayo nagsisismisan! Ano na programa na eh.
Isa lang to.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Machu. Saan nakatingin?
Uy, mamaya na yan. Tawagin na lang natin siyang Bupa. Bupa. Na ibig sabihin ay bulaklak. Who's there?
Bupa.
Bupa ho.
Cebu Pacific.
Dali na ako sa klinik. Ako po ay 35, si Bupa naman ay 42. Pero hindi po halata. Single pa siya at maganda at medyo payat. At doon po natin simulan nung una kaming magkakilala sa bar sa Thailand. At dito nagsimulang tumagas.
Ang mga katas ng aking nakalipas.
Sawadika!
Sawadika!
Lapnoy!
Sawadika!
Itlog mo na yung orange! Itlog mo na yung orange!
Sawadika!
My friend!
Sawadika!
Bupa!
Sawadika!
You shut up! Bupa! This is my friend from the Philippines. I told you. Very handsome.
yeah.
DJ, this is Bupa DJ.
Hi, DJ.
Hi.
Sawadika, DJ.
Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Trix,
Kumbanwa.
babae ba to? Ano kumbanwa na Japan? Tay. Oo, babae yan. Hindi yan ladyboy. Ano ka ba? Okay, that's my friend. You shut up! No, sign, okay? This is a friend from the Philippines. I told you, you like him,
Ay,
right?
sawadee ka, DJ.
Sawadee ka.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you? You're very beautiful in person.
Chai, sabi yes eh. Chai latte.
Chai latte? Okay. Okay, let's cheers to that drink. Cheers. Cheers!
Daghang salamat.
Okay, cheers.
Daghang salamat.
No, tayo Bisaya. Tayo only. No, Bisaya, okay?
Daghang salamat. Sawadee ka, daghang salamat.
Okay, let's
May buntag.
Ay! No, that's Bisaya. No, don't say that. Ay, ang kulit talaga nitong nalasing na kasi to, DJ.
Sorry ako.
Okay lang yan.
I am so tipsy na.
Tinuruan ko
Sawadee
kasi yan
ka.
ng Bisaya, Tagalog. Kaya marunong na yan siya ng ganyan.
Nahimbag na bigaat kayo, kayo ame.
Marunong din siya ng greeting sa mga Ilocano. Ayan. You try, Bicolano. Greetings.
Marina agka, sawadee ka.
Di ba? Marunong na yan. Tuto din yan eh. Okay. By the way, this is my friend. So you like him? You like DJ?
Yeah, sawadee ka, DJ, agwapo.
Marunong yan. Thank you. You are very beautiful.
Tagasalamat.
Marunong na yan magbisaya. Lahat multilingual na yan siya. Okay? Hinawakan niya yung hita ko. Pisil-pisil niya. Nagagalit na si Junjun. Nagagalit.
Ganun ba yun?
Marunong yan maganyan. Ganun ba yun? Ganun. Marunong yan ang ganyan pag naiinis yan. Okay? Diyos ko, pinipisil niya.
DJ, sawadee ka.
Thank
Are
you.
you okay? Are you okay?
Hoy! Diyan talaga sa harap pa na. Diyos ko, lips niya ako. Type talaga ako ng type niya. Wait, friend! Wait, somebody ka! Stop! 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 No, not here.
Why?
You go home, bring DJ to your house. Okay?
Yeah. You book Grab.
Okay.
You book Grab.
You have a car.
Oh, I'm tipsy.
Okay.
Believe.
Wait. Ano nga English ang maniwala na sana ko? I truly believe.
I support.
Therefore, I conclude. Okay, whatever. You bring DJ to your house, okay?
Okay.
Teka lang,
Do you know how to drive?
Sumama ka na
DJ,
doon.
or we take the
I
Grab?
have no license.
We
Grab
take
only,
Grab.
Grab.
Okay.
Samahan mo na, para makita mo ba mayaman
Sawadee
yan,
ka,
Kuna.
Sawadee ka, Grab Warriors.
Pati yung Grab Warriors sa Pilipinas, binati pa. Ako sa bahay niya, Colin Tits. At namangha po ako, grabe. Ganda ng bahay, may swimming pool. At yung kanyang gate, remote control. At pagdating namin sa loob,
Sawadee ka, enter,
no.
and
Oy,
let's
oy,
enter.
okay.
Let's enter.
Your house is very big.
No, it's just
You
small.
live alone? You have friends?
No,
you have family
don't
here?
have friends. Just a housemate. Sawadee ka.
Okay.
Yeah, and let's go inside. I can't wait.
Wait. What are you doing?
I'm so horny.
What? Horny?
Yeah.
No.
Sawadee ka, horny.
Wait. Nakakatikim na ako ng atay. Sige, yan na siguro to.
Let's go.
Mas kumain ng manghang. Wait.
You,
Are you sure?
you
Sure?
problem? You have
No,
a
no,
problem?
no problem.
Okay.
You
okay.
wash.
No washing.
No wash?
washing. Let's
iba
eat,
yung
don't
amoy,
wash.
Eat!
Eat, don't wash.
Oh, no.
Fresh is the best policy.
No. I eat!
Eat.
No matter what.
Inisip ko po ang offer ni Bupa na doon na daw ako tumira sa kanya. Para hindi daw po ako mahirapan sa pagstay ko sa Phuket, Thailand. At susuportahan niya rin kung anumang negosyo ang papasukin ko. Kahit sa Pilipinas pa yan o sa Thailand. Kaya naisip ko, Kolantis, siguro ang swerte ng tao ay nagdidepende sa lugar. Kailangan mo lang kumilos para mahanap mo rin ang swerte mo. Tulad ko, ang swerte ko pala nandito pala sa Phuket, Thailand. Yan, pinag-isipan ko muna. At isang gabi nagkita muli kami at sa bar, only wine. Oh, there's a lot of wine here.
Yeah.
Uminom ka lang, libre niya yan lahat. Mayaman yan
So what
eh.
ka, DJ? Don't use your cell phone.
Ah?
Don't use cell phone. You're with me. You focus on me. Let me get that.
Wait, Kadyot is calling. Kadyot, may, hello,
Emergency.
Call. Oh. Okay. Ah, sige, call, okay. Wait. Okay, call.
Who's that?
Wait, no, don't get. Wait,
I'll get your phone. Who's that?
My uncle in Philippines.
What? You're
Uncle
answering
Kadyot.
your uncle. You're with me. You focus on me. DJ, are you girlfriend?
Okay, sorry.
When I'm with you, I focus on you.
Okay, sorry. Okay? Sorry. No.
I'm hurt.
I put my phone here, okay?
Yes, no,
Oh,
I'll get that.
you get my
And
phone?
don't look to other girls. You're with your girlfriend.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Seryoso.
Where are you going?
Ay, wait.
Let's go together. Let's go. So we cut together.
Men's room. I'll go to the CR.
I know. It's okay. The guard knows me. I will be with you. Wherever you go. Whatever you do.
Ang babaeng
I
to.
will be right here waiting for you.
Ha? Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, I go now. You stay here. DJ, she will drive the car. You support her, okay? She's drunk. Just slowly but surely.
Yeah.
Upa,
Yeah.
ha?
Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah, sorry, cut,
Stop,
Trixie.
look,
And Palo.
okay, very good. Bye.
Bye.
DJ, you kiss me here. You kiss me here.
In your car? No,
Yes.
no, not here. Not
Why?
here. I go home. I want to sleep also. I go home. I am with you. I cannot sleep. You bembang me.
I want a pembang.
6 times. No.
I want a
cannot.
bembang.
I'm tired.
No,
tired.
DJ.
I go home, okay?
You do what I say because you're my boyfriend. I'm your girlfriend. We stay here until. Yes.
Okay. You go home to your house.
No.
Okay, you're going to your house, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
You go with me.
Diyos ko, ano ba itong babaeng ito? Napaka-weird.
Let's go.
Napaka-weirdo naman ito.
You follow my rules, okay? You live in my house, you follow me.
Okay. At pagdating namin sa kanila, Col and Tate, sa bahay niya po, doon na nga, din ako pinatulog. Lantang-lanta na po ako. Parang sinipsip na lahat ng mga katas ng aking nakalipas.
One more. One more. Sawari ka.
Five.
Sawari ka. Sawari
Already
ka.
five.
Sawari ka.
Five already.
No,
I'm
no.
tired.
Six.
Ah?
Kota is 6.
6, okay.
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 Let's go, Tiche.
Ang round 6.
Last one. Sawari ka, last one.
One more?
Last one.
No,
Last-
7 already.
No.
6 already. No more 7. I cannot.
You live here in my house. You
Very
follow.
sad. Junjun is very sad.
No, that's sad. That's not sad. You can do it. You drink the ginseng.
No, I cannot.
You drink. No.
You,
No. We do it.
substitution.
No.
Brandon.
No. Are you now not following my rules? This is my house, Sawari ka.
No, I go.
No. I will lock the door.
Okay.
There's a remote. I will get the remote. You cannot go outside.
Nilak niyo yung gate nila. Hindi ako makalabas.
I will lock it.
Weird
Okay.
to tayo. Ako ng babae
Okay.
ito. Napaka-weird.
You cannot go outside from now on. Yes,
What? You locked me here in your house?
You're a bad boy. You don't follow my rules, Sawari ka.
Oh no. Sawadi ka. I wanna go
No,
home.
Sawari ka.
Ano gagawin ko dito? Okay. I promise. I go get my item. No, things.
No.
Good item. I go get my good item. Then I
You
go back.
have items here. I provided
No,
for
very
you.
important. My
No.
passport.
No.
My passport. visa.
You
Kakainis pala.
You follow me.
Okay,
Follow me.
I go back.
I have money. You follow me. You don't have money. Okay, Sawari ka.
Okay, just give me time. I go my get.
No.
I go get my things.
No.
Paano? Please, I go get my things. I have no brief.
I
No brief.
said
my brief
no.
in
You have brief in my cabinet. Go get there. Sawari ka.
Pindutin ko tong remote. The gate is open. Bahala ka
DJ!
na.
DJ!
Bahala ka
Sawari
dyan.
ka! Sawari ka!
Ayoko na sa babaeng yun. Buti na lang nakalabas na ako. Uwi na lang talaga ako ng Pilipinas. Sinundan pa rin ako.
Sawari ka DJ! Sawari ka! Kampay!
No, I said come back. No, come back.
I can't stand to fly